All right. Well, I also spoke with Proofpoint SVP of Global Channels, Stan Debosway, who joined the company just in May this year, about what excites him about the industry. Let's take a look.
So I think if you look at the how cyber has evolved in the past few years, it was an IT concern and has really moved now to C-level and board-level decisions. So I think cyber with this has created really a massive explosion of markets that creates a brand new opportunity for partners. So the first one is really where it's changing the narrative for the customers, now really being central to all the conversations. And as a matter of fact, what's exciting as well is we play a major role in securing the business and overall in the strategy.
When it comes to Proofpoint's vision in particular, what are you keen on about that?
In Proofpoint, we play in many areas now in cyber. We've been known for 20 years, as you know, as a player in the email space, but that's only one part of our business now. And where we are really playing strong is all on the key areas that really get off top of mind for customers. The one from today, which are really about data protection and threat protection, managed services, and the one of tomorrow, which is all around the AI and cyber and agentic cyber world. These are really interesting areas where it's really top of mind for every CIO right now.
How do you see the channel's role evolving when it comes to the go-to-market strategy?
I think the channel have played a really very interesting role over the years. You know, it reminds me of my time in Dubai when I was a channel manager back 20 years ago. The channel was really playing a role of, a trusted kind of product provider, really bringing technology to customers and just delivering it to them, evolving to kind of a trusted service provider. And I think today I see the channel really evolving as a trusted innovator. Someone who delivers, and helps adopt AI, secure the workspace or agentic workspace, be able to kind of define risk strategies, reduce cost and complexity. So the role of the channel really evolved and now is really partnering with CISO and CIO around the strategy around securing the environments.
It is a competitive landscape in cybersecurity. What about Proofpoint's channel strategy stands out?
So you're right. I think it's very, very crowded. I mean, as I mentioned, the landscape is going very fast. So you have thousands now of people who pretend to have, a cyber offering and want to get the share of wallets. So I think when you are Proofpoint, we have, thousands of customers. We're talking actually millions of customers, which is one of our big customers have really a big footprint in the SMB. I think what stands out for us is we have presence everywhere in the world. Our partners bring really a platform play with, I think, human-centric cybersecurity has really changed the game for us. Moving from product-centric to platform-centric has really kind of evolved. And I think that's what really differentiates us. You have many players, a thousand of product-centric players who have maybe something nice to offer, but customers are not looking for products, right? They're looking for outcomes, something that solves the real challenge they have. The cost of a breach is so big for them that they cannot risk it. And I think that's where we play a big role. And that's where the channel see us as really a key partner for them to offer a real solution for customers.
I want to talk about how you are looking to deepen engagement when it comes to partners and scale the customer impact around the world.
If you look back around a decade ago, Proofpoint, we had 40% of our business with partners. As of today, we have almost 80% of our business goes through partners. So we really shifted to become really kind of partner-centric. So partners see this, we keep on investing with them, whether that's investing in territory with more presence, but also in programs. So we're investing with them, say, you have now an ability to really present the platform, but also really enrich the customer experience with services. So that's been really something that we do very well now, and really partners are excited. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you one thing is, which today in Protect, we have over 300 partners here from 18 countries. So that's really exciting to see that, they are responding to want to learn more and get with us.
Absolutely. I want to focus in on the AI part of cybersecurity. What are the most impactful ways that partners are helping customers achieve better security outcomes?
So I think AI is a buzzword of the moment, right? Everyone talks about AI, some form, different ways of shape or form. I think AI is really real, it's practical, and I think what we're announcing this week in Protect is a good way to explain to the world how AI will play a major role in protecting against cyber attacker or bad people, I would say. For partners, what it plays a big role is because AI doesn't work on its own. AI needs to have people to guide you through it, people to help you in securing different workspace. Many vendors as well talk about it, and customers want to see someone who glue it all together. So I think there's many plays for partners. It's a huge services play, a huge consulting play for them, and to help the customers overall have better better kind of outcome from the solution we are providing.
What opportunities do you see for the channel ahead?
Well, first of all, if you look at adoption of cyber in general, all right, I think despite all the awareness there is in the world, many customers today are very low-level protection, so are very vulnerable. I think we see the number of attacks going on are very fast. The growth we see around publicly announced breaches is doubling or tripling every year, according to Verizon data breach. So there is a lot of customers that can be more secure. So I think the first opportunity is really about this, is how we help more customers be protected, even sometimes with simple level of protection. Then we see the AI being a massive opportunity for partners to play a role, because they'll have to offer new strategies of risk reduction and protection with customers. So plenty of opportunity in the AI world. I think it's still very new. All right, we're coming up, we just made so many announcements. Partner will have to swallow it, go with it, and figure out how to kind of really package it all together with the overall offering they have.
All right, thanks again to Stan Debosway and Chris Kittner for joining me at that event in Nashville in October.